Welcome back with me for part 2 of more iconic Taiwanese snacks. Join me as we taste and talk about these treats. We will also pick up some useful terms like ingredients listed on the packaging. They call it learning, we say it's fun. Welcome to Fun Mandarin 玩中文. 大家好, I'm Brian. Just like in our last episode, I'll show you pictures of iconic Taiwanese snacks with 3 clues, and you can guess which snack it is. Then I will unbox each snack and give you a review, so you will get very useful expressions to talk about snacks in Mandarin. Here are the clues for the first snack. 不含防腐剂不含防腐剂含麸质的谷物含麸质的谷物植物五星素植物五星素 Which snack do you think this one is? The answer is 可乐果 This snack's name is a mix of 可乐 and 果 The story goes that its creator wanted to make such a tasty, 可口 and joyful, 快乐 snack to eat, so they call it 可乐果. Pretty catchy, right? You must have noticed this too. Coca-Cola's Chinese name, 可口可乐, is also trying to convey the same idea to consumers. Before we unbox and taste this snack, let's get familiar with some terms you'll spot on food packages. For example, 防腐剂 means preservatives. 不含 means not included. So, 不含防腐剂 is no preservatives. From the second clue, we can learn about 过敏原资讯. Usually, you will see a phrase like 本产品含有及其制品. It means this product contains and its derivatives. For example, on the package of 可乐果, it says 本产品含麸质的谷物本产品含麸质的谷物 That means it's got grains with gluten, so it's definitely not gluten-free. Another example. Let's take a look at the snack 五香口味乖乖 we introduced in last episode. On the package, it says 本产品含有大豆、花生、牛奶、甲壳类、坚果类、含麸质之谷物、含麸质之谷物及其制品 Wow! I didn't expect there are so many allergens. So before you take a bite of any food, make sure to give it a good check. Now, let's talk about vegetarian, 素食. Don't confuse it with fast food, 素食, as they are pronounced exactly the same. However, the character 素 means vegetarian, while 素 means speed. Pure vegetarian or vegan, we would say 全素 or 纯素, which refers to plant-based foods that do not contain eggs, dairy, or the 5 pungent spices. Hold on, what is 5 pungent spices? They are scallion, 葱, garlic, 蒜, garlic chives, 韭菜, Chinese onion, 小蒜, onion, 洋葱. In Mandarin, we call these pungent spices 植物五星. For vegetarians who practice Buddhism, they will avoid eating these spices because they are believed to excite the senses, which goes against the principles of Buddhist teaching on mindfulness and simplicity. On the package of 可乐果, it says 植物五星素, which shows the snack contains garlic and other spices, but it doesn't contain eggs and dairy. So for someone who is practicing Buddhism, I'm afraid this snack is a pass for you. If you're a vegetarian or vegan but not restricted to 5 pungent spices, you can definitely enjoy this treat without any worries. 这款是经典的原味，一打开就闻到浓浓的蒜香。一颗一颗的豌豆酥看起来很像螺丝，一口咬下，听声音就知道有多酥脆，超好吃，真心大推。不过蒜味真的很重，约会前最好不要吃太多哦。In the review, we start by describing how the snack smells with this phrase. 一打开就闻到浓浓的蒜香。一打开就闻到 As soon as you open it, you can smell. It really helps us capture the powerful aroma of the snack. Here's another example. 一打开就闻到浓浓的胡椒香。一打开就闻到浓浓的胡椒香。This structure, 一就 is very useful for describing a situation where the second action happens right after the first one. Let me show you how it can apply in other contexts. For example, 他一回家就吃晚饭。他一回家就吃晚饭。Another example, 我一吃饱就看 Fun Mandarin 玩中文。我一吃饱就看 Fun Mandarin 玩中文。Next, we can use 看起来很像 to describe the shapes and appearance of the snack. Let's take a look at the review. 一颗一颗的豌豆酥看起来很像螺丝。看起来很像 means looks like, so you can use it as a metaphor to give others a more vivid image of what the food is like. For example, 乖乖看起来很像早餐的玉米球麦片。乖乖看起来很像早餐的玉米球麦片。Now we can talk about the texture, 口感。Besides saying 脆脆的 or 很脆, we can highlight its crispness by describing the satisfying crunch with each bite. 一口咬下，听声音就知道有多酥脆。一口咬下，听声音就知道有多酥脆。When making a recommendation, we can express it in a more enthusiastic way by saying 真心大推。真心大推。真心 means sincerely or genuinely. 大推 is more commonly used in Taiwan, which is the short form of 大力推荐。大力 simply means strong or energetic. When used in the context of recommendations, 大力推荐 means strongly recommend or highly recommend. Ready for the next snack? The clues are 蛋奶素。蛋奶素。热量最高。热量最高。男女老少都爱吃。男女老少都爱吃。So, this popular snack is 益美小泡芙。益美 is a popular Taiwanese food company. People of all ages love their delicious puffs, which are enjoyed not just in Taiwan, but also in other countries.
That's really good.
Really?
Okay, this is like a 10.
Oh god.
Okay, these are all gonna be gone.
台湾的牌子，打开。
Интересно.
Сладкое или нет?
Это очень вкусно. Ни на что не похоже.
Вкусно.
Это вкусно, да.
Ça, je pourrais en manger 3 boîtes.
Ouais, c'est agréable à manger.
Ça, c'est bon.
Ça, c'est très bon.
Ça, c'est bon, ça.
Non, c'est beaucoup trop bon. Alors ça, je les enchaîne, hein, vraiment.
Ah, c'est extra bon. C'est moi qui repars avec.
Il va falloir se battre à la sortie pour...
This snack contains milk and eggs, so it's labeled as 蛋奶素 or 奶蛋素. So it's a perfect treat for vegetarians who eat both eggs and dairy products. Let's try the milk flavor now. 一打开就闻到浓浓的奶油香，光闻味道就口水直流了。 外皮不是一般松软的泡芙面皮，吃起来有饼干的酥脆口感，里面的奶油入口即化。我敢说，就算不是甜食控，吃了都会有满满的幸福感。我给它5颗星。As you can tell, at the beginning of the review, we used the same structure, 一就 to describe the aroma of the snack. 一打开就闻到浓浓的奶油香，一打开就闻到浓浓的奶油香。But we make it even more dramatic by saying, 光闻味道就口水直流了。光闻味道就口水直流了。光 means just, so 光闻 is just smelling. 口水直流 literally translates to saliva flows non-stop. Therefore, 光闻味道就口水直流了 is a very vivid expression to say how tempting the food smell is. As for the texture, the description, 吃起来有饼干的酥脆口感。吃起来有饼干的酥脆口感。This clearly shows how crispy the shell is. We can then imagine delicate and soft of the cream inside the puff with this phrase, 入口即化。入口即化。This expression is often used to describe desserts, chocolates, or even high-quality meat which have a very soft texture and dissolve easily in the mouth without much chewing. Now, we can emphasize how amazing the snack is by making a persuasive statement about it. Like I said, 就算不是甜食控，吃了都会有满满的幸福感。甜食 generally includes cakes, pastries, candies, and other sugary treats. The use of 控 actually comes from Japanese and means really into something. 甜食控 refers to someone with a strong sweet tooth. As 满满 literally means fully and 幸福感 is happiness. So, 吃了都会有满满的幸福感。After eating, you will feel extremely happy and content. We can apply these statements for other food. 就算不是面食控，就算不是面食控，吃了都会有满满的幸福感。吃了都会有满满的幸福感。Finally, I concluded with the highest rating by saying, 我给它5颗星。我给它5颗星。We can also use this expression in other contexts, such as online reviews or even in real-life conversation when giving compliments to friends and family for doing us a favor. That's all for today. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, don't forget to click the link in the description box below. You'll discover other useful Mandarin expressions for discussing food and uncover the other 2 Taiwanese snacks. 谢谢收看 Fun Mandarin 玩中文，别忘了点赞、留言和分享。我们下次见。
说了这么多 ，Brian， 你最喜欢吃的零食是什么呀？
都喜欢啊。
如果只能选一个呢？
小孩才做选择，大人我全都要。